As you know, development planning can be used to onboard and socialize new hires. In this lecture, we will review some of the features of effective onboarding programs. Some companies offer special training programs for their new hires to help them get acquainted with their new jobs. The onboarding process is also referred to as socialization, although the process does involve more than just the social aspects of the job. Onboarding programs teach people about their new roles, the people they will work with, and the expectations of the organization. Really good onboarding programs can help retain new hires by making them feel more comfortable and less uncertain about their new positions. These programs can also contribute to better job satisfaction and higher job performance, mostly because they prepare people to work in their environment. Some of you may be familiar with employee orientation, which can be one component of the onboarding process. Orientation refers to the single and often initial event where new hires are introduced to the organization. But the socialization process is broader, includes more than just orientation, and usually takes longer, sometimes weeks or even months. The best onboarding programs are usually focused on developing trainees' self-confidence, giving them the ability to jump right in and get to work. Successful onboarding programs usually cover these four areas: compliance, clarification, culture, and connection. Compliance covers the rules of the job and the organization, the most important information. Clarification covers the job description and the expectations for performance. Culture covers the social aspects of the entire organization, its traditions, norms, lingo, customers. Connection covers the social aspects of the job, the people that employees will work with. Onboarding programs vary tremendously in how these areas are trained and in what order they're trained. But effective onboarding programs do share some features. They teach new hires about both the technical and the social aspects of the job and the work environment. They help new hires who are moving with the relocation process. The best programs encourage active learning. They encourage new hires to interact with other new hires and current employees and ask questions. They give managers some onboarding responsibilities, including discussions, documentation, and monitoring. Effective onboarding programs also document and assess employees' progress. When they are struggling, companies can more quickly intervene and hopefully retain them. Hopefully, you've learned a few things that can help you design better onboarding programs for your organizations.